Just my first interaction with a 3D printer, thanks to Mark Boehly, a genius designer. And we just saw an awesome anime. Tell me a little bit about what you're doing there, Mark.
So this is a 4x6 picture frame.
Oh, right.
I 3D printed it last night and it's done now. And I'm going to be using these for an upcoming illustration art project.
Okay.
And these I'm going to be selling with some of my designs.
Excellent.
And so I'm just printing a series of them because I think 3D printing isn't that well known for a lot of people.
Yeah.
And it'd be really cool to like give this to them with a fun piece of art inside.
Exactly.
And then they'll get stoked about it and maybe they'll want a 3D printer.
Absolutely.
So it's an inspiring technique.
And here, shoot me real quick as I talk about the monster draw thing.
So
Here, shoot it.
Okay.
So, that's Mark you just saw. If you're in Oregon, 6 o'clock, Friday the 13th, this month, there's going to be a monster draw-off at the Portland Contemporary Art Museum. If you can make it, be there, and if not, maybe I'll do a video from there. All right, now shut it off.